David Flood, I love you with all my heart. From the day I laid eyes on you in fall 2018 from afar during Wednesday Night Alive, that night I went back home to my mom and told her I met my husband. And she responded, "You are crazy." Well, Mom, I'm not crazy. I'm marrying the man God intended for me. I promise to respect you as head of household, love you continuously with kindness, gentleness, and patience throughout the course of our marriage, even when life gets tough, trusting that God will get us through whatever challenges that come our way.
Amen.
Additionally, I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad times, in sickness and in health. David, I love you and I honor you all the days of my life.
Veronica, Jean-Pierre, I, David Flood, promise and vow to be your lover, confidant, best friend, prayer warrior, cheerleader. Yes, I said cheerleader, with pom-poms and all. Dessert buddy, an ear to listen to you, but also there to be soothing. I promise to cherish you and respect you, to provide you with emotional, spiritual, mental, and physical security, to comfort and encourage you, but most importantly, show up and be there for you, because you can't fake showing up. Above all else, I vow to keep God first and a priority in our marriage, and allow Him to be the foundation and mediator of all expected and unexpected decisions. Words can't articulate how grateful I am to call you my wife and how excited I am for the years to come. To my Haitian queen, Queen B, and my lady, I love you, Veronica, Jean-Pierre, with all my heart, and honor to call you my wife. Love, hubby.
As the bride and groom have vowed their love and everlasting devotion to one another, and they have symbolized this by their vows and the giving of the rings and the pouring of the sand, I now pronounce you man and wife, and you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. David Pham.
As much noise as you can for Mr. and Mrs. David Flood.
Blessed to have witnessed you all find a home in each other. You both shine by yourselves with your big hearts, and I look forward to the brighter light you will shine together in your marriage.
I know without a doubt that this man loves you. From the moment that he met you, he has been looking for a woman of God. And I'm happy that you guys have found each other, and I wish you guys the best moving forward.
I remember when Veronica first met you, she would tell me stories about you. The way she smiled ear to ear and expressed how she felt about you, I knew you were a big deal. Continue to love and support one another. I wish you both the best, and I love you.
You told me, this is what you said. I met a woman that I connected with spiritually. Blessings to the both of you. Long years of marriage. I love the both of you. Congratulations.